accessed. So, I'll be just uploading some animations. The channel may not be working for a while. So yeah, you get to hang out with me. Yeah. So the art contest will be due on my channel for now. Till the channel gets fixed. Cause yeah. Also, let me say it again. Oh, it's nice to meet y'all. I actually am Emily Pro, but I just look different. Is it okay to be different? I don't know. Let's one more time. Hi, I'm Lily Animates. It's nice to meet y'all. Did you get on my system? Okay, I just let you guys see a weird looking animation that I was drawing. Yeah, here's a potato guy. See that? He has a soul and it's gonna explode.